Kennewick, Washington, September 24th. I just had to get a picture of this and share with you guys. I'm feeding my livestock, my pheasants and quail. The moon is right up there. And I looked up and saw all the frequencies in this cloud. There's an airplane going by there. Look at this. Look at those ripples. And this big old cloud, for the most part, isn't really moving. Oh wow, got some pretty colors on the end over here close to the sun. Looky there. Wow. That is our moon. Alrighty, there's your frequencies coming at you. Going somewhere. Much love all. I am out. Bye-bye.